Now that we have the pin ready, it's time to create the label. Go to the Insert tab, then Shapes, and select the rectangle with rounded corners. If you click the small yellow handle, you can adjust the rounding of the corners by dragging it. After that, I'll remove the outline and change the color in the Shape Format tab. I'll also add a name to the label, London. Here's another tip for you. I copy and paste the label from the finished training material. Select that label, go to the Home tab, and click the Format Painter. Then, use the Format Painter to apply the label's text formatting to the one you just created. This ensures that any new objects you add have consistent text formatting without needing to adjust them one by one. However, you'll still need to manually change the size of the label itself. Once that is done, delete the other label, then rename and group everything together, just as you did previously. Finally, we need to add the dotted line between the two objects. Go to the Insert tab, select Shapes, and click on the Line tool. Change its color, then right-click the line and choose Format Shape. Under Solid Line in the Format Shape panel, you'll find the option to choose a dash type. Pick the one you like the most. For this example, I chose dash. When you're done, all you need to do is anchor the line to the label and the pin. Click the end of the line and drag it to the small dot. It is now permanently attached. Well done! All you need to do now is copy and paste the pin into the map and create two duplicates, one for Rome and one for Paris. Don't forget to delete the extra slide as you don't need it anymore.